Hello, Driving Intelligence community. I've saved a lot of money finding things that people throw away, throw them in the bin. I go to the recycle all the time because I recycle everything that I can. I only put a few bags of trash in the trash collector for the trash company on a weekly basis. So I'm trying to do my part to help the environment. In this video, I want to talk about some of the things that I've reclaimed that people threw away. And I'm talking thousands of dollars of things that I've recovered. I'm going to show you a few of those. But the last item that I've converted to something very useful for me, you're going to find interesting, hopefully. But maybe this will give you some ideas to keep things out of the recycle bins or keep them out of the trash, especially the landfills, because they're not recoverable once they get into the landfill. As I said in the intro, here are a few things that I've pulled out of the trash or the recycle that are very useful, starting with this cordless drill, vintage snow sled, shop fan, desk chair, vintage lamp, ceiling fan. My latest find in the metal recycle bin was this grocery cart. Now, it's in perfect condition, and I've converted it into my car wash caddy. You can see I've hung all my chemicals on here. It holds my bucket. I can even hang a hose on that if I want. I got everything I need instead of having it spread out through my garage, and it really just consolidates everything, makes it much easier for me to get to work on a car wash. So I guess the moral of the story is, before you throw things away like this thing is in perfect condition. I don't understand why people don't just donate it if they don't want it. But it's turned into something very useful for me. You can just use your imagination to turn something like this into something that's much more useful. Let's keep unnecessary waste out of our landfills, save our planet, especially our country. I hope you like this. Check out that playlist on Don't Replace It, Fix It, and I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.